Account ni Megan Young nilusob. Megan Young, pinag-so sorry ng mga taga-Botswana. At hindi pa rin nga maawat ang mga taga-Botswana sa galit ng mga ito kay Megan Young sa ginawa niyang pag-aayos sa buhok ni Miss Botswana Lisigo Chambo, dahil kahit pa nagpahayag na ng apology message si Megan Young sa kanyang post, at nagsalita na rin si Miss Botswana na hindi niya matatanggap na may tatapakan o ibababang tao para sa kanya, o para sa kanyang kapakanan, ngunit ito ay mariing sinagot ng mga fans from Botswana stating that, I quote, "Sit this one out. We know the position you are in right now, it's not for your sake, but for the sake of the country. You are there to represent our country, our pride. We will never sit and watch as the racists make a field out of our country. They must know Botswana is a nation ready to defend itself. When you were 10 years of age, an almost similar thing occurred as Emma Warriors robbed of her crown. This is just a continuation of a same racial system. We are putting an end to it." End quote. Ang iba naman ay tahasang sinasabi sa komento sa post ni Megan Young ang ganito, "The let me fix your hair comment made Miss Botswana to look incompetent in front of the judges. Megan did her dirty," na inayunan naman ng isa at ganito ang sabi niya, "Any interaction from the moment you walked on stage is being scrutinized by judges, you'll know damn well." Ang tanong naman ng iba, "Why did you touch her hair? Are you a hairdresser?" At tinanong rin ng iba, "Megan, what exactly are you fixing? What was wrong with her hair? What was there to fix?" Sabi pa ng isa, "Hey Megan, you really disappointed Africa and Botswana as a whole because of what you did on public television, what you did to Miss Botswana. You judge before judges can judge." Ayon naman sa isa, ilan pa nga sa kanila ay hinihingi ng public apology mula kay Megan Young, ito'y kahit pa nga nagpahayag na ng paghingi ng paumanhin si Megan Young, kay Miss Botswana Lisigo Chambo, at sa mga taong affected nito, ayon sa kanya, "Let's make her apologize. She knows a black woman her is a no-go area. She wanted to check the texture. You need to apologize for what you did to Miss Botswana," na inayunan naman ng iba pa, at ang hiling nila kay Megan Young, "Apologies Wina, we need an apology." Ang sabi pa ng ilan, "As a girl child, you don't announce fixing the hair on a national television, that was mean," at sinabihan pa nga siya na magpunta sa simbahan at linisin ang kanyang puso. Anong masasabi mo rito? May dahilan ba para mag-public apology si Megan Young sa mga taga-Botswana for just fixing the hair? O naghahanap lang talaga ng masisisi ang mga ito dahil natalo ang kanilang pambato? Ano sa palagay nyo? Please comment down below, please like and subscribe, thank you.